How to start selling on eBay and ship like a pro. Have you ever thought about turning clutter into cash? Selling on eBay is a fantastic way to make extra money and launch a full-fledged business. Whether you're selling old electronics, vintage collectibles, or brand new products, eBay provides a platform with millions of potential buyers. Let's dive deep into how to create a listing, pack your items securely, and ship them efficiently to ensure happy customers and positive feedback. Step 1. Setting up your eBay account. The first step to selling on eBay is creating an account. If you don't already have one, head over to ebay.com and sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once registered, you'll need to set up your seller profile, including your preferred payment method. PayPal, direct deposit, and eBay managed payments are all great options for receiving your earnings. Pro tip: ensure your profile looks trustworthy by adding a profile picture and a short bio about your selling niche. Step 2. Choosing what to sell. Now that your account is ready, the big question is, what should you sell? Some of the top performing categories include vintage and collectible items, such as rare toys, trading cards, and coins. Brand name clothing and sneakers, especially limited editions or designer brands. Electronics, including used or refurbished gadgets, gaming consoles, and accessories. Home decor, kitchen gadgets, and small appliances. Sports cards, memorabilia, and autographed merchandise. Tools, whether new, used, or refurbished. Start by looking around your home and use tech. Old clothes in good condition or unique decorative pieces could be worth more than you think. Pro tip: research trending items by checking eBay's sold listings to see what's currently in demand. Step 3. Creating a winning listing. A great listing is key to attracting buyers. Here's how to create one that stands out. Take high-quality photos. Use natural light and multiple angles to show the item clearly. Include close-ups of any labels, barcodes, or unique details. 2. Write a clear and descriptive title. Avoid vague titles and be specific. Example: Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG size 11, brand new in box. 3. Create an honest and detailed description. Mention any flaws, include dimensions, and be upfront about the item's condition. 4. Set a competitive price. Check completed sales of similar items to determine a fair asking price. 5. Select the right selling format. Auction-style listings work best for rare or high-demand items, while fixed-price listings are better for everyday products. Pro tip: offer free shipping if possible. It increases your chances of making a sale. Step 4. Packing your item securely. Once your item sells, it's time to pack it securely to prevent damage in transit. Follow these steps. Choose the right packaging. Use a box or padded envelope that fits your item snugly to prevent shifting. Use protective materials. Bubble wrap, packing peanuts, or crumpled paper will help cushion fragile items. Secure the package. Use strong packing tape to seal all edges and reinforce weak points. Include a thank you note, a small gesture that can lead to repeat buyers and positive reviews. Pro tip: if your item is fragile, add a handle with care or fragile sticker to the package to alert the carrier. Step 5. Shipping your item. Shipping is the final step, and eBay makes it easy with discounted rates from USPS, FedEx, and UPS. Here's how to streamline the process. Print a shipping label. You can do this directly from your eBay dashboard. It saves time and ensures the correct postage. 2. Choose the right shipping option. Use USPS First Class for lightweight items, Priority Mail for faster delivery, and FedEx or UPS for heavier packages. 3. Provide a tracking number. Buyers love tracking their purchases, and it helps avoid disputes. 4. Drop off or schedule a pickup. Many carriers offer free pickup services, so you don't have to leave your home. Pro tip: if selling frequently, consider investing in a shipping scale and label printer to make the process more efficient. The seller receives a notification of a successful sale and a happy customer review. And just like that, you've successfully sold and shipped your first item on eBay. As you gain more experience, you'll find ways to optimize your listings, attract more buyers, and increase your sales. Keep listing, keep learning, and who knows? You might just turn this into a full-time business. Start selling today. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will be a big help to our channel. Thank you for watching.